Today I'm making sausage, rice, and cucumbers, and I'm using chicken sausage. Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back. And it's time to eat again. And today I made some sausage, rice, and cucumbers. So I made two different types of sausage. Peaches and plums for dessert. And some cucumber water. Ooh, yes. Do the cheddar jalapeno first. This is always good. I have some Menage Trois, Pinot Grigio, Limelight. Y'all see? Cheers, y'all. I already had some the other day. It's pretty good. I like that. It's cold too. Okay. I just got rice everywhere. A little butter sauce with some onions and garlic. It's good. I think I like the sweet Italian sausage better. The cheddar jalapeno is okay, but it's good. It's the freshness from the cucumbers. Ooh. Yep. That's all it needed. Mm-hmm. Mm. I really thought that the rice was gonna hold in the shape of the glass, because I left it in there for like 30 minutes. Mm. I think it's the butter. When I put butter in the rice while it's cooking, it makes it too moist. Mm-hmm. Slippery. Yep. So it's gonna fall down every time. Mm. Oh, that's that cheddar jalapeno one. That's cool. I'll eat one more. Mm. Mm. What's up? So y'all, I saw earlier that Tamar and her game show Lover Boy, what is it, a game show? A dating show? Something? I saw that they broke up, but y'all know it's with these celebrities. It is hard to take them seriously sometimes because you never really know what they got going on. They be lying sometimes. But either way it goes. It just got me to thinking about how lately, like over the last year or so, there are so many dating shows. YouTube dating shows, Netflix dating shows, Tubi dating shows. Now, honestly, personally, oh yes. Okay, hot sauce. Personally, I could only do something like that for fun. Like go on a dating show. I would do it, you know, to meet new people, Maybe just to have fun. And I say that, but in all honesty, if I was presented with the opportunity to go on a dating show, I probably would never do it. Even the ones for couples, where you and your lover go, you know, explore things with other strange couples. I probably wouldn't do it. But would you? If you had the opportunity to find love on a dating show, would you do it? I would love to bring it closer, but y'all know what usually happens. I wonder, can I fit this in my mouth? But would you be open to that type of creative love story? I met my man on a game show. I can't take it seriously. And they have the LGBTQ dog. They got the LGBTQ show on Netflix called Queer Love or something like that. That is a stressful show. It's like, it's high emotion. It's a lot going on Queer Love. Either way, you know, I'm not one of those people who has trouble in the dating department. Plus, I don't have to be in a relationship. Not all connections are meant to form into relationships. It's a reality that I learned to face over time. And even when someone wants to be with you, it's okay to suggest something else, you know? We could just be friends. We could just be cool. A lot of people, your strongest connections are with your friends. A lot of times, we're closer with friends than with lovers anyway. So we don't have to be so about finding a lover, you know? You need to examine the connections you do have now. And just think to yourself, do you have a good balance? You don't have to be in a relationship to have a good team and a strong circle, you know? And you get the same fulfillment. It's just a different level of intimacy. Oh, these plums are good. The plums are better than the peaches. It's the peach. White peach. And dark plums. My favorite. This meal was good. Anyway, it goes. I love y'all. Whether you're in a relationship or you're single, whether you have friends or you don't, I rock with you the long way, okay? I do. But you know, if you do ever have the opportunity to go on a game show, just be careful. And remember, again, not all connections have to turn into relationships. Okay? Mm-hmm. That was good. Ooh, that's good. It's cold. I am freezing, y'all. Fit to go outside. But anyway, peace. I'll see y'all tomorrow.